We'll do a computation involving real numbers. We want to find the difference 1/8 minus -3/4. And I'm going to start by writing this difference as a sum. I'm going to write 1/8 plus the opposite of the number being subtracted. And the opposite of -3/4 is 3/4. So now I'm finding 1/8 plus 3/4. First thing that we need to do at this stage is to find a common denominator. And 8 is a multiple of 4, so 8 will be the least common denominator. I'll have 1/8 plus 3/4 multiplied by 1 in the form of 2 over 2, so that this denominator becomes 8. And this is 1/8 plus 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm adding these two fractions. To do the addition, I add the numerators. 1 plus 6 is 7, and I keep the common denominator of 8. So the result is 7/8.